are those things that has inspired between you? What are the business you guys have
Nothing,
do
because we are not
together?
working in the same department.
Which department do you work?
I'm in forklift operator.
Eh?
Forklift operator.
Forklift operator.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not even hear about this allegation that said at times you lift some cable, you know, without being inspected and so forth that just drop for Odeon.
I didn't know anything about that one.
Okay. Which one do you know something about?
I left there, as I said before, I left there due to their payment then.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why don't you ask the police person or those people that arrested that what is your offense though?
All waiting and notice is that maybe they hear wrong information.
Okay.
Because where I'm staying now is my brother that has the building. So, because most all their talk goes to the house building, as if maybe the information that they heard was I made the money from Lagosstars. You understand? Like I made the money from Lagosstars, and the house was built. The land was I bought the land this year. When I bought the land this year, which my brother, I have a brother in outside country. He sent me the money because he came last year and did in wedding. So where to stay? They don't have where to stay then. So
A kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ jẹ́ olólùfẹ́ ìkànnì Ajáramàlífà TV pé ẹ kú ìgbà gbogbo. Mo fẹ́ nígbàgbọ́ wípé láti bí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta sẹ́yìn tá a ti ń fi àwọn ìfiléde ní ṣísẹ̀ntẹ̀lé léde lórí ìkànnì Ajáramàlífà TV lẹ tí ń tẹ̀lé wa. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ gbọ́ ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ eléyìí tí ọ̀dọ́kùnrin yìí tó ṣe pẹ̀lú ìkànnì Ajáramàlífà TV nílé iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ fi ara balẹ̀ gbọ́ dáadáa nítorí pé ìṣí míì ṣì ń bọ̀ níbi tí ó ti padà jẹ́wọ́. Tẹ́ ẹ bá rí níbi ìfọ̀rọ̀wérọ̀ yìí, ó ṣẹ́délẹ̀ pé kò sí nǹkan kan tó da òun àti ẹni tí ó jẹ́ CSO tó pera ẹ̀ ní Zonal Commander fún iléeṣẹ́ Evans. Ó ní kò sí nǹkan kan tó da òun àti ẹ̀ pọ̀ rí. Ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn ọ̀rẹyìn, àwọn àgbà ní ilé ikú ni wọ́n ti ń jẹ́wọ́ àrùn. Ó padà sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́yìn tí ìwádìí míì tó tẹ̀síwájú. Nínú ìfiléde eléyìí tá a máa fi léde yìí, ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ pé ohùn ẹnìkan lẹ máa gbọ́ àti àwòrán ẹ̀. Ẹ gbọ́ ohùn eléyìí tó ń fi ń sọ̀rọ̀ yìí dáadáa. Nítorí nígbà tí ohùn eléyìí tá a bá fẹ́ fi léde yìí bá jáde, ẹ lè mọ̀ pé òun náà ló ń sọ̀rọ̀. Ó padà jẹ́wọ́ o wípé lótìítọ́ àti lódodo lòun máa ń gbé kébù fún ẹni tó jẹ́ ọ̀gá tó ń ṣọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n jẹ́ òṣìṣẹ́ ńbẹ̀, eléyìí tó pera ẹ̀ ní ìyẹn Zonal Commander fún iléeṣẹ́ Evans. Ẹ ṣé ẹ kú ìfẹ́. Ọlọ́run nínú àánú ò ní jẹ́ ká tẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ara wa.
my name is Peter Ami
From which state?
from Kogi State
Okay. Like how many years have you been in the state?
since 2017.
2017.
Yeah.
So since that's 2017, what have you been doing in the state?
Well, I've been working in factory.
Which of the factories? Is it this current factory?
The first factory was plywood, but those people have packed to Ondo State. The second one is Lagosstars, and I started working there on on the 8th of January 2020. On the 8th of January 2020, I stopped work then 2022, August or July, something like that. So that is when I stopped work.
Okay, and no, okay. Do you mean what you mean is you are not currently a staff of
Since
that?
2022.
So what happened? Why are you here?
Me myself, I didn't, because I don't really know the reason of of them arresting me. Because on the 26th of October, which is last month, I was working in another company since last 2 years when I come out from Lagosstars. I was working in another company. So they now come to the company after, it's not to 8 when they came there and arrest me. When they came there and arrest me, so they took me to Ilese. Their investigation was like, maybe I don't even know the reason why they even brought me here, because all wetin they ask me, I don't already come up for there before those things happen. about HR, nothing concern me with am. Nothing. I don already comot for there since 2022.
Okay, sorry if I'm not mistaken. You are not working in the company again.
Yes.
Now they get you arrested, but till date you don't know why you've been arrested.
I don't know.
You don't know. And why don't you ask the police person or those people that arrested that what is your offense? Oh?
All waiting I notice is that maybe they hear wrong information.
Okay.
Because where I'm staying now is my brother that has the building. So, because most all their talk goes to the house building, 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 as if maybe the information that they heard was I made the money from Lagosstars. You understand? Like I made the money from Lagosstars, and the house was built. The land was I bought the land this year. When I bought the land this year, which my brother, I have a brother in outside country. He sent me the money because he came last year and did in wedding. So where to stay? They don't have where to stay then. So we now plan it. So now you have already go back since last year. So he sent me the money and I helped him to buy the land. When I come here, I noticed that they are just after the house, and they have taken me to bank for the statement of account. All the transaction was there.
Okay. Sir, these three people sitting down, those period while you were still at the work, which
Yeah.
of them do you have a relationship with or do you interact with?
Like this guy now, I don't even know him before.
Who? Eniola?
Eniola.
Okay.
So this one I only know him as, which is audio. I only
Who?
know
Dio?
Yes, I only know him as their oga for security.
Okay.
This one is my co-worker for then.
Okay, so you are just a co-worker. You
Yes.
are not security personnel.
No, no, I'm working in
Okay,
the.
so during those period you know this guy. What are those things that has inspired between you? What are the business you guys are
Nothing,
doing
because we are not
together?
working in the same department.
Which department do you work?
I'm in forklift operator.
Eh?
Forklift operator.
Forklift operator.
Yeah.
Okay. I did not even hear about this allegation that said at times you lift some cable, you know, without being inspected and so forth that just drop for Odeon.
I didn't know anything about that one.
Okay. Which one do you know something about?
I left there, as I said before. I left there due to their payment then.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which
So
of the business have you transacted with Odeon before you leave the place?
no business.
No business. Okay, which means you haven't sell cable to Odeon before,
No, no,
you
no,
haven't have anything to do with him before.
no.
What stop you from working there?
It's due to their payment.
Payment as in explain please.
Like when I was working there, they was paying me 50, 55, but where I'm working now, they are paying me 85,000. So that's it.
Okay. What is your name?
Peter Ame,
Which state?
Kogi State.